and a heartily good morning. Today I, Gurashish Singh Sandhu, is here to address the speech on this auspicious day, the theme of Nation First, Always. For we Indians, it was a day when a golden bird came out of its cage after 200 sorrowful, atrocious and thraldom years. But within these years, this golden bird lost many of its feathers. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. And what would a man not pay for his life? Our brave hearts, the freedom fighters of the country, who worship their motherland India, who married their motherland India, who made the tightest bond with motherland India and even sacrificed their lives on motherland India. इस कदर वाकिफ है मेरी कलम मेरे जज्बातों से, इस कदर वाकिफ है मेरी कलम मेरे जज्बातों से कि अगर मैं इश्क लिखना भी चाहूं तो भी इनकलाब लिख जाता हूं. Said by Bhagat Singh, a 22-year-old patriot who chose to be a freedom fighter, leaving his perfect family and perfect job alongside his two friends Sukhdev and Rajguru. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, Rani Lakshmibai, the queen of Jhansi, who fought with Britishers till the last of her breath, carrying her son on her back. These 200 years have given India many heart-chilling stories that ignite the emotion of patriotism among the hearts of the youth. Truly said by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh, an individual may die for an idea, but that idea after his death will incarnate into thousands of lives. तुम मुझे मार सकते हो मगर मेरे विचारों को नहीं. बड़े से बड़े साम्राज्यों की बुनियादें हिल गई मगर हौसले और विचार हमेशा बुलंद रहे. We are blessed to have the right to speak and right to be heard. The right our forefathers, our brave souls fought for. Our forefathers bought our freedom in exchange of their blood and sweat. So my dear fellow friends, don't waste your precious independent lives and just devote them for the country in making it a better India for our future generations and followed. At last, but not the least, I want to conclude my speech by saying, ज़माने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, ज़माने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से बढ़कर कोई सनम नहीं होता. सोने में सिमटकर, नोटों में लिपटकर, सोने में सिमटकर, नोटों में लिपटकर मरते हैं कई, मगर तिरंगे से बढ़कर कोई कफन नहीं होता. So hail out with me. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की.